Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the surface safe and accessible, unplug the cooker and let it cool. Once the metal is room temperature, test a corner. Heat briefly with a hair dryer for 20-30 seconds and lift an edge with a plastic scraper. You use oil or WD-40 at the lift point to loosen adhesive. This reduces tearing and prevents gouges. Make sure to work from the sticker's edge outward. This controlled beginning preserves the finish and sets up the next, bigger steps. You now focus on breaking the glue bonds. Apply steady heat for 30 to 60 seconds at a 6 to 8 inch distance. This softens the adhesive without warping trim. If heat alone won't lift, apply a thin coat of cooking oil, citrus solvent, or 70% isopropyl with a cloth to dissolve residue. Work a low-angle peel with a plastic scraper, alternating heat and solvent as you go. Move deliberately. Rushing causes jagged tears and extra cleanup, while patience preserves stainless integrity. Once the sticker and most adhesive are gone, you clean the area thoroughly. Wipe with solvent on a microfiber cloth to remove film, then wash with mild soap and water to eliminate residues. Dry completely and finish with a stainless polish or a few drops of olive oil to restore even sheen. If adhesive persists or you see fine scratches, stop immediately. Switching to a soft plastic pad or consulting a professional prevents worsening damage. This single troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.